Good morning, guys. Sorry, I'm tired. Did not get much sleep. But it's Saturday and it's last day at the market. So let's see how today goes. I do hope it goes better than yesterday, but I doubt it. Let's just say that. It's a very, very, very long time since I have had a Sunday that is going much better than a Saturday. Let's just say that. So let's get on the road. So we are here.
Du optager mange der, er jo lidt så.
I hate packing cars when it's raining. Let's just say that. The day was very, very slow. And I only had 8 or 9 customers. So it wasn't today that was a good day, or either yesterday for that matter. So I'm heading home, and hopefully that I can get, sorry if I'm not speaking very fast, I'm trying to catch my breath. Hopefully I can get my things packed out tonight, or at least get it inside the house tonight. But how long as it's rained like this, I'm not gonna touch it. So guys, I'm home. I haven't emptied out the car yet, but it will come. Now I can go. I just counted up my money. 449 for an entire weekend, and the tables was 750. I'm missing out 5, 6, 7. I'm missing out 300. Not good. Not good. So what the heck? But before it all started, I was on the net last evening when it was time to get the vlog up and that kind of stuff, and looking for a wire, and I couldn't find anything that was in the right price. And then I went down to that lady I bought those other things from, and asked about the wires and the lobster hooks or whatever they call it, those claps you're locking the necklace with. She has it, and it's good price, so I bought all the wires she has, and there's 10 meters on one row, so I got more than plenty now. And the lobster hooks are coming with the with the mail in a couple of days, so I paid for that too when I was down there. Now I want the rain to stop, and I want to cuddle with my cats, and I want to watch a blog.
Mm-hmm. I love you too. I love you too. I love you too. Can go. What are you doing? Want me to scrub your belly? Mommy, don't film me. Lay down. Pretty boy. Well, I do have at least 2 blogs, emails, and a couple other things I need to do. So that's what I'm doing, and hope that the rain will stop in the meantime. Because I need dry weather to empty out my car, or at least those things that need to go upstairs. I want them inside dry so I can bring them upstairs tomorrow. My knee has been bugging me today too, so I'm not gonna pull anything upstairs. It's just one hell of a problem with that damn knee right now. So, yeah. Time to see some videos. So, I managed to get everything in. And right now I'm watching Bailey's Adobe stream. Bailey are one of the artists on YouTube, and she is a part of the Adobe channel. She is one of the artists that are showing off on the channel on a regular schedule. And I actually like what she's doing right now with finger painting. So that's kind of fun to watch. So I'll watch her when I do some dinner. I'm finished with dinner. And yeah, I remember there were something going on in Herning tomorrow evening. And I just called the lady that stands for it, and I got a ticket in. So tomorrow the block will be very, very late getting up. So that's the block for tomorrow. Because I believe the thing is till 9 in the evening. Yeah. And the clock is 9 right now. So good night, guys, and see you tomorrow.